So when I heard about Ruby's Organics, when I heard they had opened their first store in Gurgaon, I was really excited. Because this is a brand which has been on my radar for a long time. I love their clean and conscious approach. At the store, I met these smiling faces who spoke to me so passionately about their brand, why they use the alternate plant-based ingredients, and what clean beauty means to them. I think that's very important. And keeping my minimal aesthetic in mind and knowing that all this was so new to me, the team helped me create my first makeup kit that was custom made for me. And the team was really helpful. They showed me the best tips and tricks on how to use it because none of us know how to do that. So this kit checks all the boxes. Minimal products that help me achieve the classic Ruby's naturally glowing look, even at my age, I have to say. And that has made makeup so much more approachable, safe, and nostalgic also, because I think when we are younger, we tend to use it, and very, very enjoyable. Really great.